Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to recover your Instagram account and log in even if you've lost access to your email, phone number, and password. So let's just dive right into the video. Step number one is you can check for login saved login info. In order to do so, you may just directly head over to your profile and see if you have saved any login info or not. So you may just head over, open your Instagram app or website on any of the phone, tablet, or computer you've used before. If you're still logged in, you can just go to your settings by tapping on the menu bar at the top right. After that, head over to your account center and you're going to go ahead and look out for personal details here. And you're going to update your email or your phone number to regain your full control. So what that does is basically lets you log in into other devices using your email and phone number. And before logging out of that account from that particular device, you may just go ahead and save the login info so that it becomes easier for you to re-log in into the same device. Step number 2 we can do is use Facebook login. If your Instagram account is linked with Facebook, then you can directly log in with Facebook. In order to do so, you may just directly link your Instagram account by heading over to your profile and going to the menu bar at the top right corner. After that, go to Account Center and you will be able to find your profile here. So you're just going to go ahead and look out for sharing across profile option here. Just go ahead and tap on it and add account, for example, your Facebook. After that is done, it will be easier for you to connect right back to your account. Step number 3 is we can recover your account. If you don't know how, here's how you can recover your account using Instagram support tools. So open up your Instagram and then tap on Forgot Password on your login screen. Let me just head over and show you how you can do it. Like the login page right here, you can see this option called Forgotten Password here. So you may just directly tap on it. After that, you need to enter your username or your email you think you might be linked into the account. If you can't find it, if you entered your email and your username that you think you might have linked your account to, if you can't find it, you can directly tap on Need to Help and access additional recovery options. Instagram will guide you through the process of verifying your identity. And the next method we can apply if nothing else works is you need to contact the Instagram support directly. And here's how you can do it. Close your Instagram application. After that, you may directly head over to your browser or directly go to google.com. So go ahead and type in help.instagram.com here. Instagram.com and tap on go and wait for the page to load up on your screen. After that is done, you're just gonna go ahead and look out for your help articles here. For example, I can't log in and go ahead. After that is done, you can visit this page on your desktop or your mobile browser to try to recover your account. So you're just going to go ahead and fill out the form, provide as much as information possible, and like your username and any details about the account. Instagram might ask for proof of identity, like a photo of yourself holding a code they'll send you, and that should do it. If this video helped you, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching and good luck for recovering your Instagram account.